Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we will look at another front-end interview problem. So this is more of a learning concept than an interview problem. So in this video what we'll do is we'll learn to see how we can create our own custom event in JavaScript. So events are those that gets triggered upon an action that you take. For example, whenever you click a button or whenever you scroll down the page, there are multiple events that are getting triggered. One is click event when you click on a button. The other is scroll event when you scroll up or scroll down. Similarly, there are multiple events when you resize a window. There is a resize event that is getting triggered. So there are multiple events that already exist natively in browser. Suppose you also want to create your own custom event that you want to get triggered when you perform an action. Let's say you want an event to be dispatched automatically after every 5-second interval. You have a timer, you have a clock on your web page, and you want a certain event to be triggered after every 5 second passes on that clock. So that is one example of your own custom event that you might want to create or that you might want to trigger. So in this video, we'll just look at a very basic example of creating our own custom event. Here we have our button, and on the click of this button, what we'll do is we'll create our own custom event. That custom event will get dispatched, and that on the dispatch of that event, this action will take place. We'll see an alert that says custom event was triggered. So we'll just try to implement this now. Let's go to our script.js. First, we'll get our button element, document.get element by ID, and the ID is button itself. Here we will create our own custom event. Const custom event is equal to new event. So this new event is, we are calling this constructor, and this is provided by our browser itself natively. And now what we will do is we will add our click event listener to button. So we'll do is button dot add event listener, and on the click of it we'll dispatch a new custom event. On the click of this button we'll dispatch our new custom event, button dot dispatch event, and we'll dispatch our custom event that we have triggered here, right? And we'll listen for the custom event on button dot add event listener custom event, and here we will do is we will just show alert button clicked, and we'll just save this and rerun this and see if it works. So we are getting an error, dispatch event is not of type event. Okay, I'll just do document dot dispatch event and rerun this, and I'll click on this and I'm getting again an error, dispatch event. Let's try to see what dispatch event is called upon. So we are creating a new event and we are adding listener and we are dispatching event here. So I'll just do the same thing, object dot uh, so I'll just do button dot dispatch event, rerun this and click on it. Dispatch event on event parameter 1 is not of type event. Okay, yeah, I'll just need to, I think, call this, rerun this, click on it. Parameter 1 is not of type event. Dispatch event get found new custom. Okay, we need to pass in new custom event instead of event. And I'll run this and I click on it, and now we are getting button clicked. So this is a very basic example of creating our own custom event. Here we create our own custom event and dispatch that event on the click of this button. Now if you want to look into detail of it, you can check out the MDN docs. These are the official docs, and here you can check, you can even give an extra options parameter that takes in detail and some other info, and you can play around this stuff. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.